1007, United Kingdom, standing by.
1007, this is 233 Lima Mike Romeo 01. This is 233 Lima Mike Romeo 01, operator Radu in west part of Romania, mobile station.
Okay, the west part of Romania, yes, we are a mobile station as well. Our QTH is Llandudno in North Wales. That's Lima, Lima, Alpha, November, Delta, Uniform, Delta, November, Oscar. Llandudno in North Wales. And we are on top of the Great Orme Mountain in Llandudno. QSL.
Okay, Roger, north part of Wales. Well, I'm located right now in the west part of Romania. Let's say the nearest city, which is not so big, it's Buzias, but the bigger city here, it's Timișoara, like Tango India, Mike India, Sierra Oscar Alpha, Romeo Alpha. Timișoara will be the city, and a mobile station using a President Mckinley and the 300 whiskies amplifier with 1.7 meters Avanti mobile antenna. Back to you, my friend.
Okay, yes, your modulation is very, very good. I understand you're using 300 whiskies. We're only doing a mere 4 watts, just 4 whiskies here on top of the mountain, and we're using a PNI. The transceiver is a PNI Escort HP8000L. I repeat, AP Papa November India. PNI is the brand name, and its model number is an Escort Hotel Papa 8000 Lima. And there's just 4 whiskies coming out of the box. And we've got that going into a Sirio 5000. Former antenna on a mag mount.
Okay, not 100% this time, because some stations from states side are stronger than you, but I understand that you are using a PNI 8000 and Sirio 4000 antenna, and just 4 whiskies. For 4 whiskies, it's very, very good signal. Very good signal for 4 whiskies. You are between 5 and 7, 5 and 5 sometimes at peak. I'm also recording this because I just keep my phone recording from the previous QSO, and you will also see this recording if you search on YouTube later on. I don't know, in 4 hours or so, when I am getting home, I will manage to upload this video. Please give me once more your call sign. Please give me once more your call sign in order to add it in the description in the video, so that you are able to just search for your call sign on YouTube and find this video. Please give me your call sign again, my friend. Back to you.
The call sign is 1007. That's 1007.
Okay, 1007. 1007. Did I get it correctly?
That's correct, my friend, that's correct. The station operating name here is Chris. That's Charlie, Hotel, Romeo, India, Sierra. Chris is the station operating name.
Okay, Chris, 100%. Very, very nice propagation. So if you are only with 4 whiskies, usually this PNI station, because I know them, maybe I also have one at home, usually they are not pushing out 4 whiskies in AM. Usually there are 3 whiskies or something like this, but very, very good signal, very good propagation this evening. I'm surprised that second contact in alpha mic modulation, I think, for me this year. With very rare occasions, I'm trying to make any DX contact in AM. Chris, back to you.
At the moment on the mountain, we're going through an unbelievable storm here at the moment. The winds are very strong and the rain is absolutely horrendous up here. The car is blowing around in the wind and I'm looking out to sea and it's mist everywhere. It's been a very bad day weather. The weather here in Wales has been terrible today, terrible.
Okay, understood. Well, in Romania you will see it also on the video. It's just very small wind. I'm actually also on a hill, not very high hill. I'm not sure what's the altitude here. Anyway, it's not mounted, just a small hill. Yeah, but it's a little bit windy, but today weather was very nice, very warm. I think 26 or 27 degrees, partially cloudy, but we had also sun shining today. Now it's already in the evening and very soon night will come here. Chris, back to you.
Because the propagation is going up and down at the it's down by the USA as well. I have had a contact to a couple of chaps from America this afternoon, so I'm very pleased with that. And of course my new friend there in Romania. So I'm going to say thank you, please, and I wish you and your family all the best of health, and I hope to catch you again on the channel very, very soon. But the QSO has been very, very good, and can you repeat your YouTube channel?
Chris, the propagation is going down. I'm not sure, I did not copy 100% what you just told me, but I think you asked me to repeat my location just for the final. The location here is near to the city of Timișoara, like Tango Tango, India India, Mike Mike, India India, Sierra Sierra, Oscar Oscar, Alpha Alpha, Romeo Romeo, Alpha Alpha. Near to the city of Timișoara, Chris. If you still hear me, best wishes from Romania 73s and hope to catch you again on the frequency. This was 233 Lima Mike Radio 01 operator Radu, mobile station in Romania. Bye bye, Chris.
Sugar, Washington 326. Very nice QSO. I have enjoyed the contact. Best of luck and 73s for now.
Bye bye, Chris. All the best.